See that nice, lovely texture? It's totally worth it. Need to add some texture to that belly, and so I'm going to go back and add to that little fin on the back of his head. Group these layers, and this will be wing web, whatever they just spelled. Oop, web. There we go. Typing with my Apple Pencil and no hand. Going back up here to the back web, because I didn't know what to call that earlier. And do this as an overlay layer, that way it's just adding texture and not color. I can also lighten it if I need to. So I could turn that one down a little bit. It's a little too intense. There we go. I think I'll do that to the inside of the little mouth flappy thing. Well, again, I don't know what to call that, but turn layers off. I call it a mouth flap. That's not the scientific term for it. There we go, texture in there. And, yeah, I'm gonna turn that down a little bit too, because normally I do that first, and then when I add the shadows, it turns it down. But I kind of did it as an afterthought, and it was kind of bright. And I'm gonna add some texture to that tongue inside of his mouth area, because it looks too flat. But I'm going to see about, I'm going to use a different brush. I'm just making sure I'm on the right layer, and it's the right layer type. Just double checking. I think this might be a little too much. Turn it down, see. I actually kind of like that. It's a little bumpy, textured-y tongue. Yeah, that actually looks... we'll keep that for now. I might change it later. Again, adding all this detail, zoomed in, and you zoomed out, and you see this actual size, you won't see it. So, I just do it anyway. Now, I'm going to do something about the stomach area, because it is just too flat. Of course, I skipped a couple other steps. Normally when I do flat colors, I add some more colors. And I went straight into doing his scales and didn't even do that. So I'm going to go back and add some varying colors too. Change him up a little bit. I kind of jumped ahead of myself on a few steps. So I'm going to alpha lock the layer, and this has the whole body color. Looks really creepy, floating eye. So that has all the body color. And I'm going to pick